how to use Tonhub wallet step by step. Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to use the Tonhub wallet, and this is a full guide in every step. So first and foremost, come to your Google Play Store and then search for Tonhub wallet. Okay, then come and download it and then open it. Okay, so as you can see, I already created my account, but if you haven't yet created an account and you want to create one, what you'll do is simple. Just tap on this drop down arrow here, then tap on add wallet, and then just tap on add a new wallet. So when you tap on add a new wallet, you'll have to save your phrase over here. So if you're done saving it, just tap on OK. I've saved it. Okay, so after saving it, create a pin for yourself. So for this case, I'll create a pin like that. Alright, so you just need to confirm your old pin, and then you just need to enter. Alright, so it's loading up over here and the new wallet has been created. Okay, so I'll show you how to receive, how to deposit money on the Tonhub wallet, and how to withdraw money on the Tonhub wallet. So for this case, we are assuming you're having USDT in your Tonhub wallet. Tap on USDT, and I'm assuming you want to send USDT. So just tap on send, and then you have to paste here your USDT address that you're sending to. So for this case, I'm assuming I'm sending USDT to my Binance exchange. So I'll head over to my Binance exchange. Then I'll copy the USDT address from there. Okay, so at this point, I need to just verify my Binance, and then I'm signed in. So at Binance, you just go back to your home page, and then at the home page, make sure that you tap on the wallet section over here, and then tap on deposit, and then tap on deposit crypto, and then select USDT, and then copy this address. So for this case, I'll select this network, which is Tron TRS20, and then I'll just come and copy this network over here. I mean the address. So right now I'll head back to my Tonhub wallet, and I'll paste this address over here. Okay, so after pasting the address over there, I just come and tap on save. When you tap on save, you have to make sure that you have some crypto coins in your USDT account. So for this case, I don't have any USDT account over there, as my account is totally at zero. But if you have any USDT account, just tap on that and you'll be able to send crypto coins of USDT to any person. As you can see, the address is copied, just paste it there, and then you'll be able to send. Okay, so the next step, you're going to learn how to deposit on Tonhub. So how to deposit on Tonhub, tap on receive button there, then copy the address over here. So for this case, I'm assuming I want to deposit let me say USDT on Tonhub. So just tap on USDT as you can see, and then tap on this copy. So I'm copying this address of USDT. So I'll head over to my Binance application, and then I'll just come to the home page over here. Okay, then I'll come to spot, then tap on withdraw, then I'll just search on USDT over there, but make sure you have some USDT. So select over any crypto network, and then paste the address there, and then the network will show up over there. So you have to put in the amount you're withdrawing, and then tap on withdraw, and that's it guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.